Alright guys, Saturday morning, let's take a look at what we got. We just have a little bit of stuff back here in the back of the house. This is going to be pump up stuff right here. These gutters are black. Then we have this all the way across the back of the home here. Just back here. You know why? That's the north. Algae grows on the north side of any building anywhere in the world. Alright, we're going to hit this with the pump up real quick. Get the area prepped, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse all this stuff off. All right, let's get after it.
I think I'll walk out that door.
Okay, let's have a look. Now, first question I'm going to ask you is, that's just going to rinse right off, and this wall is going to rinse right off. So is that gutter. But the first question I'm going to ask, you see how nice the carpet is in there, and the lady keeps it nice and clean? So instead of downstreaming and getting all the soap suds all in there, I just went ahead and took 5 minutes and got this wall pumped up. And I did this walkway here too. She's going to like that. Those colors will come back out. So we're just going to walk out to the street, take the pump up back, have a couple sips of coffee, and we're going to come back. And all this stuff will be pretty much, we're just going to have to do the satisfying rinse. We won't even have to use any downstream. All right, we'll be back. Let's get after it. Okay, I went out front. Look at this. I mean, don't even got to rinse that. But we're going to go ahead and rinse it because we got those stones over there to rinse. Just rinse the awning off. Get this dirt off of here. We're just going to walk really quick out of here. And the brick wall out front, I treated it. The mailbox, everything's ready to go. All we got to do is SH the driveway, rinse this stuff off back here, and be heroes. These people are in their 90s. She's out here walking around. She doesn't hear too well, but man, she's on top of it. She takes care of her husband. He's got dementia. What a wonderful lady she is. And she says he's very happy, so he's going to stay home. All right, let's get after it. All right, there you have it. Bang. Looks really good compared to what it looked like. Got a nice little colored sidewalk done. She'll be very happy. We got the hose straight out. Now we're going to SH down all this stuff here all the way to the truck. Then we're going to get the mini Mondu out and get after all this concrete. And we'll rinse this gutter off the rest of the way with the ball valve when we're doing the satisfying rinse. All right, let's get after it, shall we? Everything's SH. The wall's all clean. All that tedious work is done. The mailbox looks brand new. Look at that sucker. It looks like you just bought it, eh? Always clean the mailbox. Well, you look like a schmuck. All right. Everything's SH. Now we're going to crank this baby up, and we're going to get after it. And we got one more to go after this, and we'll be off. Let's get after it. right, let's stop before we get done. I want to show you, if you're noticing what I'm doing, I'm going over each pass twice. Now, she just told me I was here in 2019. See how dirty that is? So if you just go over it once, you're gonna have problems, you're gonna have streaks, all this other stuff. When I'm done cleaning this driveway, it's not gonna have any streaks after the rinse. Then we're gonna post-treat it. The water's gonna drain right on out of here down the road. You can see it going that way. And then this job will be perfect. That's how you do it. And the water's keeping up. Very good water flow here. All right, let's finish the rest. We'll be back when we post-treat and final review. Let's get after it. Now it's time for the satisfying rinse. Let's take a look at this. Look how nice this wall came out. Wanted the front of it clean. Clean the other side as well. It came out really nice. Driveway came out nice. I don't see any marks. I'm gonna finish the satisfying rinse. Then we're gonna post-treat it. This baby will be good for another 5 years. Really wasn't that bad 5 years later. You didn't see any surface cleaner marks when we pulled up. Pre-treat, post-treat, that's why. All right, let's watch this dirty dirt come down here. And we'll blow that all out of here with the wash jet tip, all right? Let's get after it. Let's take a final look at this bad boy. Not a mark anywhere. Look how nice and clean the wall is up there. Let's go ahead and take a walk down the sidewalk right here. I think I'm about to show you something very remarkable. When you're 95 years old and you can do what this lady's doing, you're gonna be lucky. Here she comes right here. Look at her go. She looks like she's right out of New York City. Hey, you, are you done with the job yet? Very nice lady, Mrs. Vincent. And I'm not going to charge her any extra. She said she wanted to pay me extra to do the wall. You know what? She's got way more troubles than I'm ever going to have. Or maybe not, but right now, let's be nice. All right, see you at the next job. Let's get after it. All right, here we are, job number 2. Regular customer. Busy. This guy here from Wisconsin. This guy's delivering a washing machine this morning for his wife so she can get after the laundry. That's what he said. Nice guy, eh? Anyway, we're going to be doing this patio porch back here. Just need just a little bit more hose there so I can be the hoser guy. All right, let's check this out. The hurricane is what did all this dirty. Look how white that is there. Look how dirty this is, huh? It's just dirty. All right, we're gonna set this down here. We're gonna get after it. There you have it, folks. Poof! Clean, clean, clean. Screens are clean. Glass is clean. Look at that door, it's shining. Windows are clean. Screens are clean. Got the railings all clean except for that one little area right there. El Dono. We'll see you on Monday, all right? Remember, tune in for the live cut tonight. Who knows what band it's going to be? Well, it'll be me on the drums, baby. Let's get after it. See you Monday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Allman Brothers. So, what do you think, Darden?
I think we're going to come to some sings, I think, go to the city,
I think we head down to Sin City. You just gotta do it.
Maybe we get some dancers up there or something, I don't know, we got this lady up here. Here we go. and Paul.